this is my grandma, and today we are going to be surprising her with a supercar ride-along. You guys, this video is going to be awesome. Let's get ready, and we'll jump right into it. What up?
What's up, brother?
You ready?
You know it.
Let's do this. I just texted you. Hello.
Well, I didn't brush my hair or anything.
It's alright, I already got you on camera, so. Alright. Mexico City. That's right.
Who's winning?
Norris, Leclerc, Hamilton.
What?
I like
Norris.
it.
Yes.
I'm okay with this. I'm okay with this podium right now.
Absolutely. Let's keep it.
It's a nice surprise.
Yeah, that is.
Look at this. I got the double wrapper. I'm on camera, Mom.
Quit embarrassing your son on camera.
You believe this? Since I was a child, this has been happening to me. Where she's trying to get the over here. This is ridiculous. I just won. I got the double
Should I go
wrapper
put makeup on?
and no chocolate left behind.
I think that's the best of luck when it comes to Reese's. So, we just finished the F1 race. It was a good race. Lando won, which is a good thing. She knows we're going somewhere, but she doesn't know where we're going.
No, I don't.
Where do you think you're going?
I don't know.
If you had to guess, what are we going to go do?
I have no idea.
No idea at all.
No.
Okay, this is going to be so much fun. Alright, so we've got all of these beautiful, beautiful cars.
And beautiful people.
And beautiful people, absolutely. Here, it's just beautiful people right here.
I don't need the wrinkles, shown.
Alright, you ready?
For what?
For your surprise.
You're giving me this car?
Well, not really. Not yet. Maybe in a few years.
Oh, not yet?
Maybe in a few years. Listen, if everybody watching this video could subscribe right now, I bet that I could get you a GT4RS.
You gonna go fund me a car?
Yeah, I think we should. Go fund me.
What's your favorite car in here?
Favorite car?
The white one.
Okay.
What do you think? Yeah?
But I probably can't get in and out of it either.
So
I have to go look at the seats to see if I like it.
Oh, he's taking cops for rides now.
So which one do you want to go for a ride in?
The white one.
Here comes the SF90. Check this out. That is so sick. Grandma!
Okay, the fact that this has a fire extinguisher in it is a little scary.
Well, it actually should make you feel safe. I
No.
think that's the point of a fire extinguisher.
No.
Yeah? No?
And how come it has this silver plate down here?
For your feet.
So I can brace myself?
Exactly. And you're gonna have to. This car is insanely fast. Listen to that.
You ready for your launch?
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Woo! Oh my god! Wow! This is so cool!
Yeah, I'm not crazy.
Oh, I love this car!
Nice and easy.
Oh, yes!
It's definitely peppy.
Got a little bit of gap and go.
I'd say.
Maybe in another lifetime I could have one of these.
Yeah, you know, they're fun, but
I know.
it's also like,
It's not going to the grocery store kind of car.
no. That's for dang sure.
Woo!
Yeah. All right, here we go.
Okay.
I think this will be a good angle.
I'm ready.
Something like this. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yes! Woo! Oh, I could do this every day. I'm just going
That's
to
what
come
I'm
down and
saying,
tell you to
yeah.
give me a ride in a different car every day.
Yeah, you don't get sick of it.
No.
It's just fun every time.
No. No, that's fun.
It really is. And this one's fun because it it's not really too loud. It's
No, it's
You
not
know,
loud. You can actually talk.
yeah, like you
Jason's
can launch
car, you cannot talk.
exactly, and so it's like, again, every car is just perfect for what it is. But I like loud cars. Sometimes I don't like loud cars, and so this is one I drive more often, just because I can make phone calls.
Yeah, you can actually talk.
Yep.
You're buying it?
Yeah. On credit.
What'd you think?
I'm gonna get a lot of points.
What'd you think?
I love it.
Yeah?
I love it.
How was the launch?
Fantastic. We did 3 in 1.
Nice.
What is this?
You had fun?
Huh?
You had fun?
Yes, I loved it.
You can't stop smiling.
You can't. This car is so cool.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.